Hare Krishna, Prabhu, Dandavat Pranam.
Hare Krishna.
Prabhu, in this case, Vritrasura could be called an ekanti devotee, as you said, like after getting killed, he became went to Sankarshan. So can he be called ekanti devotee?
You can call him a Narayana Parayana, because that's the word he used. You will see in the later verses. I don't know whether it has come earlier or is going to come. He refers, Parikshit Maharaj refers to Vritrasura as Narayana Parayana. Muktanam Siddhanam Narayana Parayana Sudurlabha Prasantatma Kotirapi Kotishvapi Mahamuni. So he is referring to him as Narayana Parayana because he was a devotee of Sankarsana. So actually in his previous life, he was Chitraketu, who was a devotee of Sankarsana, and because of some reason, he had to take birth in an Asura family, which will all be revealed in the following chapters and verses. So he was definitely a great devotee, a pure devotee, and that is why he was able to ascend to Vaikuntha Loka to become an associate, an eternal associate of Sankarsana. So we can understand that he is a great pure devotee, but he is still not a devotee of Krishna like that.